Hi, I'm Katie from the Queen Stitch, and together with Love Crafts, I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy heart today. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using Paintbox Yarn Simply Chunky and a 6mm hook. You can use any yarn and hook you like, as long as they go together. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using American notations, and I will be covering several basics. The first is the slip knot, the second is the chain stitch, the third is the double crochet, and the last is our treble crochet. And all of that, we can create this cute heart. So let's start. So first things first, we need to make a slip knot. So we have our tail and our working yarn. I just put the working yarn over the tail, stick my fingers through the loop, and pull up on the working yarn. And there we have it. So we're gonna put that slip knot on our hook and we're gonna tighten it. Now we're gonna ignore the tail. So the first thing we're gonna do is chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Now we're gonna slip stitch into the first chain to make a circle. There we have it, our little circle. So we're then going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 2 treble crochets or triple crochets into the middle of the circle. Be careful that you're working into the middle of the circle and not the last stitch. So to do a triple crochet, you yarn over once and then yarn over twice, so you have 3 loops. Insert into the middle of the circle. 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3. That is our first treble crochet. And we're gonna do one more. So now I have my chain and my 2 treble crochets, and now I'm gonna work 3 double crochets into the circle. So my double crochet is just yarning over 1, pull through 1, pull through 2. Woo, fighting my yarn a little bit, it's very exciting over here. Then we're gonna do our second double crochet, all right, and then a third double crochet. So we've done our trebles and our doubles. So after you've worked 3 double crochets into your circle, you're gonna chain 1, and you're gonna do a treble crochet. So that's, again, wrapped around twice, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3. And this is the bottom of your heart. You're gonna chain again, and then you're gonna do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after we've worked our 3 double crochets, we're gonna work 2 more trebles into the center. So again, we wrap twice. 1, 2, 3. Again, wrapping twice, yarn over 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3. So then, just like we did in the beginning, we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna slip stitch into the center, voila. And then we're gonna fasten and cut. So what we're left with is a very sweet little heart with our ends here. So if you want to, you can weave these in here in the back, or you can tie them off. I'm going to tie them off. Why, you ask? Because then I have a little hanging heart. Trim the ends. And voila! Thanks for watching how to crochet an easy heart. If you enjoyed yourself, we have even more crochet and knit tutorials available on Love Crafts. And if you subscribe, you'll never miss a video.